Hello, welcome to Lee Retro Pickings. It's Lee here. Today I'm going to do a quick video about Worthpoint's mobile phone application for Android. I've been using it for a couple of days now, and today was the first day that I'd used it actually out in charity shops. Because occasionally you're walking around there, you see something obscure, there's no hits on eBay, or there's very few hits on eBay, and it's difficult to make a pricing decision, especially in the UK. The charity shops don't tend to be the cheapest. So sometimes to take a sort of blind punt on something that might be £10–15, can be a bit of a risk sometimes. So anyway, I was walking around, and in the toy section they had this gold belt with Bandai 95 written on the back, and you could tell it was an old toy, and it's like a gold belt, and you flick a button, this latch opens up and it makes various noises and lights start flashing. So it's got a bit of age to it. Power Rangers is collectible. It's going to be popular with people who are collecting that kind of thing. And it only had £2 on it, so I thought, let's have a look. Let's see if it's worth anything. I probably would have picked it up anyway without the application, maybe, but it's always good to know what these things could potentially fetch. So anyway, as you can see, I'm on eBay at the moment. Typed in Power Rangers gold belt, and very few, looking worldwide here. It wasn't that one there, it wasn't the card holder one, wasn't any of those. So I had a good look through on eBay, there was nothing on there. So let's have a quick look onto Worthpoint, and typed in the similar search term there. There was so many hits, so I had to put 1995 just to narrow it down a little bit. And as we can see, we've got a hit here for $20. That's the one, exactly the same. So that was in the States. We've got another hit here that went for $36. So what's that? Around about £25. And it's important to point out here that sold for price includes postage. So if it was sold for $26 and the person charged $10 for postage, that's what it will show on there. It will show 36. So I'm going to probably price that at £25 with free postage, because it's in good condition, it's fully working and everything, and it seems to be pretty rare. And I also did a search on Google as well, and there was no hits on Google. It was very rare. There's only 2 hits on Worthpoint actually, so quite a rare piece. Okay, so in my view, I think it's pretty handy. I mean, they do have some other things here. They have these little guides where they'll have a news story about cobalt blue glass, and they'll talk you through, a guy's written a piece about what to look for and showing you ones that have ended at auction. There's one there that ended at $10,000 or whatever when it went to auction. There's one with a skull on there. Obviously ones to keep an eye out for. Obviously your normal small cobalt bottles probably aren't worth too much, but the rarer pieces are worth keeping an eye out. And it's educational. There's other stories here. Well worth a read to keep track of what's going on out there, what things are trending as well. So anyway, I hope you found this entertaining and informative. As I say, it's around about $20 to sign up, which is probably about £17 So give it a try for a month, and don't forget to use the code in the description if you want to support my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.